Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to report a Facebook post. If you are concerned that you've seen content that could indicate someone is having thoughts of suicides, you can report their post anonymously from your own Facebook account. Click on the post you are concerned about and click on the three-dot menu. Click Find Support or Report Post. You then need to select a problem to continue. You can choose from a list of issues, including suicide or self-injury, or the sexual abuse, nudity, or anything else. You are reminded at this point that if you think someone is in immediate danger or sexual abuse, you should call the local emergency services. Click on this and press Send. When something gets reported to Facebook, Facebook reviews the related post and remove anything that contravenes their community standards. Reporting a post is anonymous and Facebook doesn't include any information about the person who filed the report when they reach out to the account reported. Every day, many interactions are taking place on Facebook as people from across the globe connect with one another. Knowing how to support someone who may be struggling or what to do if you are concerned about someone's welfare can help to save lives. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.